Welcome to Inkscape free software application. This application is really simple. This is a vector graphics application. Download link is given below. First, learn the interface and the navigations. Press spacebar to pan the stage. You don't need to click and drag. That much easy. Press the control key and scroll the key to zoom in and zoom out. Press the shift key and pan the stage left and right. Without any key, you can pan up and down. lkitlearner, your personal tutor. Follow us, like us, and subscribe us.